same as Exhibit 11O.
Granted.
Correction, 11P, Your Honor.
P? Is that 11P?
All right, granted with that correction.
Can you tell us, Madam Witness, what is the status of that order denying the motion for reconsideration?
Sir, status
Yes, what is the status?
of the order denying the motion?
Yes, of the
for-
denial. What happened after the denial?
The prosecution filed a motion for issuance of a writ of execution. Sir,
What, did the accused filed anything?
no, sir.
Did the accused oppose?
No, sir.
Did the accused file another an appeal or anything of the sort?
There was no appeal, sir.
No appeal. In other words, what is the status now of the denial of the motion for reconsideration?
It is already final.
Final as of when?
As of 15 days from receipt.
And according to your records, what date is that, Madam Witness?
October 12.
What is the date of that of the receipt by the accused, Madam Witness?
The counsel received the order of denial, sir, on September 26, 2002.
Your Honor, may we make of record that the witness is showing me what appear to be registry receipt return cards, which indicate that they were received on September 26, 2002, and I invite opposing counsel to peruse them. Okay? September 27, one day apart?
Hindi po ito po yung
9
date ng order.
order.
Ito po stamp.
Yeah, your stamp po.
September 27.
Oh, this was received by counsel, Madam Witness. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your Honor, may we request that the cards, which appear to be receipts, registry receipts, acknowledging receipt of the order denying the motion for reconsideration, be marked as Defense Exhibit 250.
We manifest
Mark it
that
accordingly.
we join, we confirm.
But, counsel.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I stand corrected. These have been previously marked as 177-A. To be marked today as 177-A.
Great, mark it accordingly. But, counsel, go direct to the point.
Yes, Your Honor.
This decision against Josebasa et al. Became final and executory.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Was it executed?
The next question is precisely that.
You're too verbose. Go direct to the point.
Was a writ of execution issued by the court?
Yes, sir.
When?
On April 24, 2003. Sir.
All right. No further questions on the direct, Your Honor. We just have to mark the writ of execution.
Executed against what?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
That decision was executed against what?
Against the defendants, Your Honor, who were convicted.
Yes, and what was the effect of the
that,
execution?
that will be testified to by the sheriff, Your Honor, who is the next witness.
All right.
Your Honor, please, we would like to
Ross,
manifest. The defense already had this document marked as Exhibit 178. The writ of execution as 178. May we be allowed to have the same mark for the prosecution as Exhibit 11Q?
Mark it accordingly for the prosecution.
No further questions on direct, Your Honor.
Cross, Your Honor.
Any cross?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, proceed.
Now, Madam Witness, sinabi niyo kanina na kayo ay nag-umpisa bilang branch clerk of court noong 1999 hanggang sa ngayon. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Therefore, alam niyo po, bilang tiga-ingat ng lahat ng dokumento sa hukumang ito, sa hukumang branch 216, meron po kayong kaalaman or nasa kustodiyan niyo ito.
Opo.
Pagkatapos na mag-file ng motion for reconsideration, tama po ba na bago maibigay o bago mabigay ng korte ang writ of execution, nagkaroon po dito ng notice of withdrawal ang counsel ng akusado na si Jose Maria Basa at merong pleading na sinabmit sa court. Tama po ba?
May nabasa po ako based on records.
Pwede niyo po bang tignan sa inyong mga records exactly kung nasaan po ang dokumentong ito? Your Honor, please, just to help the witness, we have a copy of the motion to withdraw filed by the counsel for the accused. Maybe we're allowed to show the same.
Yes, proceed. Who was the counsel for the accused?
Cynthia.
In this particular case, Your Honor, the counsel for the accused is
Was.
the law office of Fortune Narvasa and Salazar. This is dated December 20, 2002. Do you confirm this, Madam Witness?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is a certified true Xerox copy. Meron po ditong nakalagay sa ilalim, certified true Xerox copy, Attorney Lucita D. Masangkay Christie. Kilala niyo po kung sino ito?
Opo yan, ma'am.
So, pinatotohanan niyo po itong motion to withdraw.
Yes, ma'am.
May we ask, Your Honor, please, that this document be marked as Exhibit 11R for the prosecution.
Mark it accordingly. Was that withdrawal prior to the judgment?
This was prior to the to the submission of a motion for issuance of the writ of execution, Your Honor.
All right.
Now, Madam Witness, maaari niyo po bang tignan ang lahat ng mga dokumentong kalakip dito sa motion to withdraw na ito? Tama po ba na sa kahuli-hulihang pahina ng motion nito ay merong isang sulat na may petsa ng November 26, 2002 at ang pumirma dito ay isang Ana Basa? Kinukumpirma niyo po ba ito?
Opo.
Now, ito po, dito po sa dokumentong ito, sinabi po ni Attorney Fortune na siya po ay hindi na ang maging abogado ng
Your Honor,
akusado.
with all due respect,
Let the lawyer finish first.
thank you, Your Honor.
Can you read, Madam Witness, maaari po bang basahin ninyo ang unang talata ng sulat na inattach para kay Attorney Raymond Fortune?
One of the things that we had to go through after Dad's passing, aside from the emotional vacuum that he left, was to make decisions on matters and concerns that he left unfinished.
Sa inyo pong pagkakaintindi, Madam Witness, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng
Objection, Your
Dad's
Honor.
passing?
Speculative and
Your Honor, this is record of the
Deny.
case. Ano po ang pagkakaintindi niyo po dito sa talatang ito na lalo na sinabi niya na Dad's passing? Ano po ang inyong pagkakaintindi doon?
Na ang kanya pong ama ay namatay na.
So therefore, nung November 26, 2002, as of that date, namatay na po si Jose Maria Basa.
Opo.
Ayon kay Ana Basa na anak ng akusadong si Jose Maria Basa.
Yes, ma'am.
At, Your Honor, please may we ask that this particular paragraph be marked as Exhibit 11R-1. Ito. Sabi niyo po, Madam Witness, na kayo po ay, alam niyo na ito ay isang libel case? Alam niyo po ba kung sino-sino ang mga partido sa kasong ito?
Alam ko po.
Alam niyo po kung ano po ang kanilang relasyon sa isa't isa?
Nabasa ko po sa records.
Ang private complainant po sa kasong ito ay si Cristina Corona.
Opo.
Alam niyo po ba kung ano ang kanyang relasyon sa namatay na Jose Maria Basa?
Nabasa ko po na uncle.
Uncle niya.
Kanya po.
Okay. Dito po, nakita natin na si Attorney Fortun dinikit ang letter ni Ana Basa kung saan sinabi niya na namatay. Ang private complainant po ba dito na sa Mrs. Cristina Corona, sinabi po ba niya na ang kanyang uncle o tiyo ay namatay?
Wala po akong nabasang ganun.
Sapagkat sa ibang kaso, marami po kasing kaso ang mga basa. At sa isang kaso, meron pong sinabmit si Mrs. Cristina Corona na kung saan sinabi niya na si Jose Maria Basa ay namatay noong August
Objection, Your Honor.
2002.
This is not part of the records
No,
that the witness...
allow the witness to answer.
All right.
August 2002.
Counsel,
I would like...
Counsel, I warn you once more. Do not interrupt the counsel while asking the question.
Yes, Your
It's
Honor.
improper,
I would apologize.
Your Honor.
unethical.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Ako pala yun. Okay. Now, I'm showing to you, Madam Witness, isang manifestation na kung saan ang petitioners ay si Asuncion Basa Rocco at si Cristina Rocco Corona. At ito ay may date. Ito ay binigay sa ibang korte. At dito, sa paragraph 1 dito, maaari po bang basahin ninyo?
It has come to the knowledge of petitioners that Oppositor Jose Maria Basa III passed away in Carson City, Nevada, United States of America in August 2002.
Now, kasama po dyan kasi sa mga dokumento na yan ay isang death certificate ni Jose Maria Basa sa Carson City. By the way, ang dokumento pong yan ay may petsang 11 October 2002. Okay? Now, Your Honor, please, may we request that this manifestation and motion be provisionally marked for the prosecution as Exhibit 11-S. And the first paragraph
Granted.
as 11S-A, -1.